beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. I'm Gina, your certified holistic health coach. Here we dive into all things family, health, and Christianity. The deep passion for natural remedies, I've delved into the world of herbalism, taken several classes and courses, deepened my understanding for the healing of plants. If you're passionate about these things as well, definitely take a moment to thumbs up the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. I post new videos on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. For today's video, we're going to talk about making rose water. And once you make rose water, you can put it into anything. I use it in my hair products. I use it in my skin products. I use it in my lotion products. Everything that I make, I usually put a little bit of rose water in there. But I'm going to show you how easy it is in just a few minutes to make your own rose water. We're going to talk about some benefits of using the rose water. And then I'm just going to show you how to make like a little hair something for your hair, right? So, and I just put it all over my locks. I put it in my scalp, good to go. So we're gonna do that for today's video. So let's get into it. All right, so number one is hydration. Rose water is a natural hydrator and it helps to moisturize, refresh the skin and the hair. It can also be especially beneficial for if you have dry hair, dehydrated skin, or nails. Also really good for locks. All right, number two, it balances your pH. Rose water has a slightly acidic pH, which can help to balance the skin's natural pH levels. This can lead to healthier and more balanced skin and hair. Number three, you guys, it is soothing. It has the anti-inflammatory properties of rose water, can help to soothe irritated scalp and the skin, and it reduces the redness and inflammation. And it can be particularly soothing for conditions like if you have eczema or you have psoriasis. It's really good for that. Next is antioxidant. Rose water contains antioxidants that help to protect the skin and the hair from damage caused by free radicals, which help to prevent premature aging and keep the skin and hair looking youthful and healthy. Also, rose water has astringent properties that help to tighten and tone the skin, and it reduces the appearance of pores, and it gives the skin a smoother, more refined texture. Next, it is very refreshing, you guys. The light floral scent of the rose water can have a refreshing and uplifting effect on your mood, making it a great addition to your skincare and hair care routine. Also, as a hair conditioner, rose water can be used as a natural hair conditioner to soften and soothe your hair, making it more manageable and reducing the frizz. And lastly, it is a scalp health. Applying rose water to the scalp can help to improve scalp health, dandruff, and promoting healthy and hair growth. All right, so let's get into it. So first, you're going to want a pot, and then you're going to want to get a couple of roses. I just used like 2 of these roses, and then get you a bottle. These are just like little spray bottles that I'm going to use because what I'm making is for my locks, and it's just going to be like a rose water type of thing when I'm going to add in a few oils in there too. You want to go ahead and take all of the roses apart and just put them at the bottom of your pot. And then you want to get distilled water, and you want to do like 2 cups of distilled water to about 2 roses, but it's up to you. If you want it to be redder, it is up to you. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put it into the pot, and we're going to have it to boil, and you can put it down to simmer, and then simmer as long as it takes to turn those flowers red. We want red water. That means that all of the color have come off the roses and into this beautiful rose water. And you can see here how it's turning into that. So let's go ahead and talk about some other ingredients that we're going to use. I got jojoba oil there. We've got vitamin E. We're going to use sweet almond oil. We're just going to put a little bit in each one. I don't have a recipe per se for that. Rose water is the only thing that we have a recipe for. But we're going to go ahead and just put that in there. And as you see now, it's starting to get a little bit more color. So just take your time, have it on simmer after you've reached a boil, and just continue watching it and continue stirring it. When we get done with this and everything, all the color have come out, you just want to take a moment and you want to just squeeze it even further to get all of the redness off. And then you're going to be left with this beautiful bright rose water. And so here's the water, you guys. It's so simple, right? It's really just squeezing the rose and putting it in there, and it just comes out such a beautiful color. But that's the color you want. You want to make sure that it is nice and dark red. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pour it into a bottle. You guys use a little funnel if you can't put it in correctly. I did waste just a little bit of it, but you want to put a good portion of the rose water in there, and then go ahead and add the extra oils, whatever oils you want to put in there to make your hair soft or for your skin or anything like that, go ahead and put that in there. You also want to make sure that you are using a label to label what everything is. I usually keep mine in the fridge you can keep it in the fridge up to a month. Some people do it, but mine don't take that long because I go through it pretty quickly. I even have enough because I was also making facial care and I was making body care. So I was making a little bit of everything and sending my mom some. So I had enough for that. Thank you so much for watching the video, and remember to thumbs up the video if you liked it. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.